with yesterday's high temperatures. If you thought yesterday was hot, well, expect the next couple of days to bump even more. We're going to get hotter here. 94 degrees in Portland. That's 10 degrees above our normal highs at this point in July. The good news is normally temperatures are peaking right now. Mid-80s is the hottest normal temperature that we see in the year. August, we start to cool back down to the low 80s. September, we're back in the 70s normally. So the heat still kicks on the next couple of days. Yesterday, Salem also hit 96 degrees. Eugene as well. The coast managed the mid to upper 70s. It was a warm day across the board. We're starting off now in the upper 60s with sunny skies in Portland. Same for down to Salem. The coast is still sucked in by those marine clouds. There are some pockets of fog, even some light mist at this hour, but we will start to push out those clouds. Will warm up too, mainly for the northern portion of the Oregon coast today as we hit the low 70s to mid 70s. So it will be a nice day, and even triple-digit temperatures expected on the east sides of the Cascades towards the gorge today. That heat really kicks on. So in Portland, as we move into our morning, expect temperatures to climb. We'll see a pleasant start in the 60s and mid 70s by about 10 o'clock. Lunchtime, we're already warm in the mid 80s. That's our average high for the day, and we'll already see those temperatures right around lunchtime. So if you're dining outside today, grab some shade or sit indoors in the AC. It's going to feel hot out there. And by 2 o'clock, we're in the 90s. Our hottest part of the day today will be closer to dinner time, 6 p.m. as we hit the mid to upper 90s. So we're building up this heat today, and that's because this ridge of high pressure continues to strengthen and amplify. So we're pulling in some temperatures that are much hotter from the desert southwest region here. And we'll see triple-digit temperatures likely for a number of states across the western U.S. as this ridge just sits over our region. It's also a blocking ridge, so we're not expecting much moisture within this type of pattern here. Temperatures remaining about 10 to 15 degrees above normal the next couple of days here. And by tomorrow, good chance we hit 100 degrees in Portland. So we're tracking this trend. The next 3 days will likely stay above 90 degrees. Again, Friday, the hottest of this next set of days. We will unlikely see record highs during this little stretch of heat here, but we are going to expect temperatures to stay hot at least until Saturday. So utilize the morning hours. Those will be the cooler spots of the day here, and try to avoid prolonged time outdoors in the 90s and triple digits. A quick look at our high-level smoke. You will notice some high-level haze again in Portland as we head our way into this afternoon and evening. Same goes for Friday too. The Dixie Fire in Northern California and Oregon's Bootleg Fire still pushing a lot of smoke our way. The good news is the smoke is projected to stay in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so not expecting to see any impacts or major impacts to our air quality. We'll likely see the good to moderate category and still safe to be outside, but you will notice that high-level haze as we move forward. Quick look at our satellite and radar. Notice that southerly motion of winds. Again, that's going to drag up some smoke, but it's also going to push in some mid-level moisture. So going into today, especially across central and southern Oregon, we'll see that onset of clouds rolling on in. And as we head towards the afternoon, as we push in some of that mid-level moisture, notice how we do see those pops of thunderstorms all through the afternoon and evening going into 9, 10 o'clock. So we will see some scattered thunderstorms today out towards areas of central and eastern Oregon, right across the Bootleg Fire area. And lightning is a cause of wildfires, so that is concerning. Our wildfire danger is elevated today in that region. Also, locally gusty winds within those storms may fan the flames of the Bootleg Fire and other local fires that start. So we'll watch that very closely. In the gorge today, we may even see an isolated shower pushing up to areas in the gorge. Upper 90s, though, again, hotter out towards the Dalles. The valley should see the mid to upper 90s today, and the coast warmer as you head towards the north portion of it, upper 60s to low 70s. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, 3 days of heat here. Heat advisory in place until Saturday evening. Notice how overnight lows may not bring us much relief too. We're going to expect the upper 60s, even low 70s. So cracking open a window may not provide much relief overnight. Again, sunshine through the rest of the week here, but triple-digit temperatures likely on Friday. By the time we hit Sunday and beyond, we're back in the mid-80s. Back to you guys.
Okay, buckle up for that heat. Thanks, Kelly. It is